Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another wonderful and yummy recipe. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for tuning in and you are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make this super delicious coconut vegetable rice. If you want to see how I prepare this rice, keep watching, and if you like what you see, kindly hit the subscription button, put on the notification bell for all, and I will so much appreciate it. Thank you. Here we are, my amazing lover. Here I have coconut water or coconut milk. If you want to see how I prepare this coconut water, let me know. I'll be glad to bring out the recipe. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, green beans, salt, Maggi cube, garlic, ginger, carrot, vegetable oil, egg, and onions. Here I will go ahead with my oil and I go in with the onions. I'm going to fry all the vegetable, and this is a very fast and easy recipe. This is so sweet, healthy, and delicious. If you are like me who still visit Nigeria and still go for that coconut rice, oh my god, I know you would definitely like to try this one. I like coconut rice for Africa. So after frying the onions, I add the carrots. I will also fry the carrot for some minutes. Just fry it, depends on how you like your vegetable to be okay for you. I don't want this vegetable to be too cooked, I just want them perfect. So I add the green beans as well. I'm going to stir them and add the rest ingredients. I have my green scotch bonnet pepper and the red one. You can decide to use one of them. If you have the red, use. If you have the green, use it. But I just miss it because I really need this rice to be perfect. At this stage, after frying all my vegetable, I add the coconut milk or coconut water. I have enough of it, and you can see because I did not scrape that brown back, that is why everything settled at the down of it. So I just keep it and it was settled. I add my Maggi cube. That was one full Maggi cube, but I did not add everything. You know, coconut is already sweet, so I add little salt as well, and I will allow the water to just boil and I add the rice. That is it. So easy. Like if you are the type that like coconut rice like me, you would love to try this was actually perfect and delicious. Like it just they made for my mouth, like that one where they tie for cellophane for Africa. Oh my god, you can say this pikin spoil for food where they buy. No, because sometimes when our mom is going to market, all I ask, guys, the things I always ask my mom to buy for me at the market is just agidi jollof and agidi himself and this coconut rice. So those are my best things I always ask them to. At this stage, I will allow my rice to cook, like perfectly well, overcook rice. Yeah, then all the coconut water and the coconut milk will go into the rice. If you really want to enjoy coconut rice, allow your rice to overcook, like cook very well, then you will enjoy coconut rice. But if you do prepare your coconut rice as normal rice, if you do enjoy it, is also perfect. But try out this method, you will still like to try coconut rice every day and every time. You can also leave it this way without adding any vegetable, is your choice. You can also add any other type of vegetable, is your choice. So I will just turn everything together and we are good to go. Normal, the one we used to buy in Africa, they don't add any vegetable, just white coconut rice. Yeah, I also enjoy it that way. If you want to see that recipe as well, let me know at the comment section. I will also bring it out, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do at last, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, share and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you all so much if you watch to this extent, and for my old and new subscriber, thank you all so much for coming back. If you are new, thank you, and if you just subscribe to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for subscribing. May God bless you. Put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. May God bless you all for all the support. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. I love you all, but God love you more. So I add all the egg, then our coconut delicious rice is ready. Please, if you like this recipe, give it a try. Share the video to friends and friends and friends and friends, to your friends and family. You see their friend, just share it to your friends and friends and friends, as I said. So, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye.